for visibly clearer skin. New Dermatologist-Tested Oxy Advanced Care Maximum Strength Soothing Cream Acne Cleanser with Prebiotics uses 10% benzoyl peroxide to eliminate stubborn acne and blackheads and help prevent future breakouts. It clears skin, restores a healthy, balanced microbiome, and strengthens the natural skin barrier. Our Oxy Advanced Care with Prebiotics are innovative formulas that selectively target and eliminate the bad, acne bacteria on the face and body without disrupting the skin barrier. The plant-based prebiotics feed the good bacteria on the skin, rebalancing the microbiome and helping to strengthen the skin's natural defenses. Each one is specially formulated to eliminate acne, prevent future breakouts, and help skin heal for healthier and clearer skin. Top reviews from the United States. Best value for 10% benzoyl peroxide face wash. My dermatologist told me to use 10% benzoyl peroxide face wash to keep my face clear, and it works. I am honestly not sure what all those other face washes do, but this one works and my doctor recommended. Oxy has the best value benzoyl peroxide cleaner that I've found.